Alright, just to prove that I'm removing the Magnetron from this microwave. That sounded really artificial, I know, but I'm gonna prove to you guys that it's aluminum. Even though it's vintage. Why ain't it getting off? Oh wow, looky there. Some fresh aluminum. And this thing actually is in really good condition. Here's the light bulb, and I honestly want to destroy this. I was just going to take it out and throw it on the ground, but it's just stuck in there, so... Serious, come on now. There we go, finally. Look at that. It's an RV microwave. It even has its cool little vent system up there. I just left that on. I'm trying to have it go back to the normal zoom in, but it's just not working. Apple things. And I already removed the Magnetron and transformer. So yeah, let's just get to breaking it, shall we? And no, I'm not plugging it in. I'm not that stupid. Not good for the golf club, that's for sure. Fine, whatever. I've never seen one of these microwave things be white before. They're always black. It's absolutely beyond disgusting. You just love to see it, huh? It's great. Making sure that it's in frame, and of course it's not. And as usual for a used microwave, it's disgusting. capacitor. Look at that, all the fancy internals. Yep, we're done. That is way too loud. I feel bad for all the neighbors in here.